Hello, welcome to Let's Cook at Home with your potential artist, Lyric Jones. Today is the open box for the, you know what, I'm not going to say it. I'm so distorted. This world has done me so wrong and just stole my innocence, and I can't even say simple words without my mind going into the land of perversion, so I'm just going to call it the milk maker. Ooh. And even that's bad. Alright. I bought it, okay? I bought it, and we are going to do a demonstration. We're going to open it up and do a demonstration, okay? That's what we doing in this video today. Me and you. Alright? We. This. Let's get it. Alright. I got my scissors, and I got a box cutter. I don't know which one I'm going to use, but let's open it up. Okay. And y'all already know I had to get a red one. I almost got a black one. But that red one, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Alright. I have bags of walnuts and almonds, cashews. Alright, these are the measuring spoons. So we got a 2 tablespoons. This is nice. It's good and heavy too. Oh yeah, these are really nice. Get a good look at those. Yeah, they heavy. Okay. It's pretty. I'm going to put a link to it in the description box if we like it. Okay, it works well. Here's the cord. Alright, it's got blades on the inside, plugged in the back. I'm going to rinse it out, and we're going to give this a run. So I'll wait and plug that up. We got a brush to clean it. We have some organic milk bags. And we have the instructions. Pardon my sniffles. I have been detoxing, and when I detox, you know, it brings everything out, so it makes me sneeze and look all gross. Alright, how to use page 1. We add ingredients, seeds or grains, additional wish, then add water, and make sure all the ingredients, including the water, are under the limit line. Okay. Medium, hot, cold. Okay. So where it says cold, hot, medium, they all have a little line, so they don't want you to exceed. So we're going to do a cold milk. Alright. So I'm not for sure if y'all can see inside of there, but it's in there. Okay. Then you close the lid, connect the power, select the option, automatic process, and enjoy. So it's only 6 steps. Alright, so let me rinse it out. We're going to plug it up, and I have some walnuts that we're going to try out. Okay, so I'm going to read and see if there's anything else, but the instruction book is very easy to read. It's not complicated at all. They have recipes inside. So let me find the recipe. Soy milk, almond milk, rice milk, oat milk, cashew milk, pecan milk. So it does hazelnuts, soy, walnuts, rice, cashews, almonds, flaxseed, peanuts, pistachios, oats, coconut, sesame seed, pumpkin seed. Did I say pecans and hazelnuts? Well, that's, and then it's just the maintenance on how to clean it. So I'm going to look at it and like you just rinse it off. You use your little brush. It's not complicated at all. So let me rinse it out, and then we're going to make some milk. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay. Now, it says I need 2 tablespoons of raw, well, this one says pecans, but it does, we're going to do walnuts. So that's 2 tablespoons. I used the tablespoon that came with the product. 1 tablespoon of syrup, honey, or your preferred sweetener. So I have honey, and I'm going to put a little honey in there. And then it says 1/4 of vanilla extract. I got my own homemade vanilla here. I'm going to give a little drop of that. Okay. And then it says a pinch of salt. So I have some gray Celtic sea salt. Put a pinch of that. And then we add, gotta put the nuts in there. And then we add our water. 450 milliliters of water, maximum cold mark. So I pour. Which is not enough. So hold on. I'm going to go over and there. Okay. So I'm just slightly under the cold mark. And then you put the lid on it. Alright. And then I go to, my nose is running, y'all. Forgive me. Yet again, I say that. But if I lean down, everything runs out. So we want, I can hardly see it here. Hold on. Function. Well, nothing's happening. Maybe I don't have the top on good enough. Hold on. Let me see. Alright, I got it together now. I was rushing. I'm always rushing to do stuff. I need to calm down. Alright. So, it's how you put the cap on. So the cap goes this way. Okay. Now, see if I... Here we go. And... Okay, this is supposed to take 5 minutes. That's it. So, okay, I'm gonna come back. All right, I'll come back. Let me get everything straightened out and get up the glass, and I'll come back when it's done. All right. All right. Got a couple of cookies left. Let's see. I got these. Ooh. My bad. Okay. It's pretty. It is. It's pretty. It's all frothy. Let me, you know what? It's got little bits of, oh, excuse me. It's got little bits of walnuts in it. Very teeny. That's what the little bag is for you to strain it. But I don't mind. I already know I don't mind. Okay, because I make my juice in a blender, so I don't mind pulp and all that kind of stuff. I think it's good for me. So what I'm going to do is get a little bite of this cookie. Okay. And then, let's pour it. Let me unplug it. Nice. It's a little thin. Let me stir it up a little bit. Okay. Delicious. That's absolutely delicious. I will never. Do you hear me? I will never buy. I'll never buy milk again. Hey, this is really good. It took 2 tablespoons. Y'all seen the little, it was basically a little handful. This is great. This is great. Let me put it in my, because it's not like I eat cereal, and I don't really eat a lot of cereal and stuff like that. I really use milk for, when I eat something sweet, cakes, cookies. And when I make my coffee, I like milk in that. Oatmeal, you know, but I eat oatmeal rarely. But I do use it, and this is perfect because I can make what I need and not just have it sitting in the refrigerator. And I know what's in it. It's things I can pronounce. It's amazing. It's things we can pronounce. Ingredients you can pronounce. No something X gums and whatever foolishness they put in milk. This is on point. I'm going to put a link to this in my box, in my description box. So I'll put a link to it. And it's my Amazon link, because that's where I bought it from. But I have my own link. So when you click it and you buy it, they'll give me a little pinch of the proceeds. Not much, but a pinch. Okay? Well, that's it. It took less than 5 minutes. It beeped, and it was done. You can rinse it out with a little brush, and it's over. It's light. But it has a little bit of weight, but it's not like you need a 2-hand grip on it. This is alright, y'all. Okay, I was trying to see if it was super hot. It's not. It just feels just slightly warm because it was used. But hey, I'm digging this. Lyric Originals, Let's Cook at Home. We give this a thumbs up. This is a nice additive to the kitchen. Appliances. Nice. Alright, that's it. So, take care of yourself. Take care of those who will allow you. And most of all, keep a lyric in your heart. Till next time.